Okay, hi guys. We're vlogging today. We have not vlogged in probably a month. We filmed a lot of videos at one time, so then we didn't have to film for a while.
Oh yeah, I forgot we're vlogging today. Good thing Brittany remember.
Yeah, well, I was sitting here waiting for you. Shane had to go check the waves, even though he can't surf here anyways.
I just had to look at it because it looks so nice.
We're going anyways. I don't
this dude said that he's been here since sunrise and it got 10 times better, so I feel better about not coming earlier, but we're hitting it during the primo time. We're gonna do all kinds of camera stuff. Drone.
Yeah, so this should be an exciting vlog. We're just going to the beach to like hang out / there's like waves, and I guess it's kind of clear. I don't know really what we're doing, but Shane brought the camera bag and we brought the water housing for the camera, and we did not bring a GoPro, so we only have the camera. So that was dumb of us. I just realized that as I was talking. So yeah, I guess only camera stuff, so there won't be any sound on it because the camera, whatever. You guys usually like the sound better than my music that I put on. Anyways, so we have the drone and the camera and our phones.
Why did we forget the GoPros?
That's usually your job. That's why.
I know.
And I'm gonna do a bump update when we get out of the car. I'll make Shane film it because we are bumping. Yeah. Big preggy right now.
Yeah. All right, let's get in the water before it gets 10 times worse. Kind of crowded here, huh?
Yeah.
Are you embarrassed?
No.
Oh, okay, cool.
I just didn't want to stand up and do it because you're sitting down. So.
Right.
That's
she got the bump. There it is. Turn around.
Which way?
Face the sun. Yeah, there we go. Shining. Oh, not that much. Yeah. Round.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Let's go play in the water.
Okay, so first up, you guys are gonna see the drone clips. This is what Shane looks like flying the drone. In front of that mountain right now, so you cannot really see. There it is. And it just got so windy. But anyways, cut to the drone clips. Let's go.
Okay, so the drone was sick. We were able to scout that this other spot on the beach was like even more clear, so we came to this side. Not that it's any different to you guys, but we're like all the way down to the end, and then hopefully there's some clear water out there because there's kind of waves, so it would be cool to swim under them, but it looked like swimming under the waves didn't look so clear, but maybe we'll be proven when we get out there.
It doesn't look clear.
I don't know.
I mean, it's blue, but it's not like, you guys will see in the clips.
Yeah, so we're gonna go get out there and swim without GoPros because we're stupid. Okay, let's go.
Okay, guys. So I didn't vlog when. Sorry if you hear that noise. Shannon is outside. What's it called? Weed whacking and leaf blowing. So I didn't vlog when we got out of the water because it was super annoying. There was like these two guys like taking photos of the waves or something, but like on the beach, and we had put our stuff under this tree, and they were sitting under the tree, but like directly behind our stuff, like inches away from our stuff. And I was like pretty annoyed because I'm like, can you sit somewhere else? Like, this is our spot. I just hate when people sit super close to you on the beach for like no reason. It's like, find your own spot. We got here first. And so I didn't want to vlog because they were like super close to us. So anyways, we're home now. And like I said, Shane's doing some yard work. I just did some computer work, nothing exciting, but I'm sitting on this ball thing. I still have my bikini bottoms on. I'm not naked. Because apparently that's good for you. And one little pregnancy update. When I'm filming this, I'm doing like about 2 weeks. And the last time I had a doctor's appointment, the baby was considered sunny side up. So I have to try to like get her to rotate, because I guess it's not really the most ideal to give birth when they're in that position. It's like her eyes are facing up instead of down. I don't know. So anyways, apparently this ball is supposed to help, and we've been doing some other exercises. But Max is so cute. I wish I could zoom in on this camera. Oh, and over there, in case you were wondering, our ceiling is leaking when it rains, which is very annoying because of how the ceilings are like slanted. If we could just like put a bucket under it, I'd be like, yeah, whatever, like that sucks that it's leaking, but it's not a huge deal. But since they're slanted, the water like drips down and then drips down the wall, and it like stains everything because the ceiling's wood, and the wood coloring like drips down the white wall. And yeah, so my only solution was taping paper towels up there while it was raining because I couldn't do anything else. But we are having our contractor come out and look at it tomorrow, and hopefully it's just the siding on the side of the house that's effed up, causing the roof to leak, because the roof is all brand new and it's not the roof itself. We're like pretty sure it's from the side of the house because the siding over there is kind of wonky. So those are some life updates. I don't know what else we'll vlog today. Oh, and I'm just going to insert this talking bit in somewhere, but we did go diving with Shane's parents recently, and we didn't vlog that day, but I wanted to put some of those clips in this vlog just because it was really pretty. The beams were nice, and I already edited them, so I'm gonna put them in this vlog just so you guys can see some diving stuff, because hopefully we can film another diving vlog before I give birth, but you never know, because I could literally give birth tomorrow. So
we need to go diving.
I know, but
I'm almost out of clips.
We had a big rainstorm
Yeah.
two or 3 days ago, and on that side of the island, it turned the water like mega brown. Like Haley said, our friend that lives over there, said she's never seen it that bad.
Yeah.
And all the waterfalls were flowing over there, so it makes the water super bad. So anyways, I'm gonna put those diving clips that we have in this vlog so you guys can see them, so that we also just have them preserved and stuff. So here's the diving clips. I'm vlogging. Are you naked?
You're practically naked too.
Well, they can't see that. I don't put you in it. Shane was weed whacking, so, well, I said that already, but so when he goes, he leaves all his dirty clothes outside by the laundry.
Hey.
Because we didn't vlog anything. Because we were so close to those guys, so then I didn't want to.
Oh yeah, I guess that was kind of awkward. It was fun though, it was beautiful. I had so much fun body surfing. Brittany didn't want to take any videos of me.
Oh, I did.
Oh, cool. Thanks.
Yeah.
Oh,
I forgot to tell you.
Good vlogger.
So yeah, you guys saw Shane body surfing. He was having lots of fun. But then I did read my book for a little when you just like hung out. So yeah, it's a nice afternoon. We're just chilling at home for now. And then we're going to go pick up Shane's truck from the shop because it's getting worked on. And like nothing else is exciting happening for the rest of the day. It's like 4 o'clock or something now. So yeah, I'm probably gonna go take a shower soon so I can take these bathing suit bottoms off. I hope this was enough footage for a vlog. I hope you guys liked it. Vlogs are probably gonna be a little bit different for a little while because of the whole giving birth thing. So comment down below. Comment down below what you guys want to see, like post giving birth. If you want like a Q&A coming up, like just comment down videos that you guys are interested in. And yeah, I guess I'll just end it now because I don't know when Shane's coming back down. So that's all the stuff we saw. Bye.